Hello, as we move forward with your journey at MG Jaipur to deliver your dream car, we extend our gratitude for your trust in us. Let's run you through the required pre-delivery documents. We request you to provide these documents in advance to make your vehicle delivery experience unmatched. We need 2 self-attested copies of your PAN card, Aadhaar card, driving license or passport. 2 passport-size colored photographs. Please provide nominee details for insurance. In case of booking in the name of your business or firm, we will further need your GST certificate, certificate of incorporation, details and KYC of director, and most importantly, a parking stamp on a 50 rupee stamp paper. We want to make your delivery process as a special memory to celebrate, and advance payment clearance promises to save time and speeds up the delivery process. You can connect with our relationship manager for any further queries or clarity. We will be happy to help you.